All right, this is Sounds of Beethoven. There's three little songs here. Each song you play forte, loud the first time, then you repeat it, playing it softer. So here we go. And for all these songs, these are your notes. Right hand is E, D, and C with 3, 2, and 1. And left hand has B and A with 1 and 2. Starts on E. 1, ready, play. E, D, C, B, 2, 3. D, C, B, A, 2. Repeat soft. E, D, C, B, 2, 3. D, C,
89, 40, 41.
Now we have the
42,
next song,
44,
and it is
45.
loud the first time, soft the second time. Number 2. 1, ready, go. E, B, B, E, A, A. E, B, B, A, 2. Repeat soft. E, B, B, E, A, A. E, B, B, A, 2, 3. One more song. This, every time you play A, C, and E together.
A, C, and E.
And so here we go. Ready, set,